Class 5. Characteristics of active and passive voice. Active and passive voice have some characteristics that we need to consider. Let's start with active voice. Number 1. Active voices are shorter than passive voice. For example, in the active sentence, he saw the dog. This active sentence has 4 words and 11 characters. And in the passive sentence, the dog was seen by him. This passive version has 6 words and 18 characters. Number 2, with an active sentence, the subject takes responsibility for the action. For example, John made the decision to publish the article. This active sentence makes it clear that John was responsible. Instead, this sentence, the decision was made to publish the article. With this passive sentence, we don't know who took the decision. Number 3, active sentences are more authoritative. For example, I passed the law to protect the public. Here, the author is taking responsibility and credit for passing the law. It is more authoritative than the passive version below. The law was passed to protect the public. With this version, the author is not taking responsibility or blame for the law. It comes across as less authoritative. Number 4, active sentences are more engaging for the reader. Using active sentences tends to make your writing more engaging because the facts are absorbed as they are encountered. In other words, the sentences are ordered naturally. For example, my mother advised me to avoid the lake. With this active sentence, the information is absorbed as you encounter it. Now, it's the turn for passive voice characteristics. Number 1. The passive voice is useful to avoid blame. For example, bad advice was given. The passive voice allows you to avoid mentioning the doer of the action. Number 2. The passive voice often shows a neutral or objective tone. 3. The passive voice can be appropriate when the actor is unimportant, unknown, or obvious. 4. The passive voice is useful to emphasize something by putting it at the start of your sentence. 5. A passive voice construction allows you to use the same subject twice. So, this is all, or this class. See you on next video.